All right, everyone. As you guys can tell, markets are going insane today on Sunday. So, what a lovely Sunday to be having for anyone, especially if you are an investor in the cryptocurrency markets. But today, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, if you guys are looking at the thumbnail, looking at the screen, you guys already know what we'll be discussing today, and that is none other than Fantom. A lot has been happening with FTM, and things are only heating up as we go into the month of February. So let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. If we're looking at the price of Fantom right now, currently trading at 49.2 cents, it's up 10.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Also up about 6.1% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. The rank for Fantom has continuously been increasing as time is going, and that is bullish than ever. Market cap currently sitting at $1.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently approaching that $400 million. But let's waste no more time and get right in today's topic. Obviously, the price, to see what is happening and what are some next price targets which we could be reaching very, very soon. But before we jump into that, I just want to share this very interesting chart with you guys. Shout out to whoever made this Fantom talk on Twitter. A huge Fantom supporter. Really strongly encourage each and every one of you guys that are on the Twitter to go follow this account. So this is very something nice to see. It says Fantom bounced back to the top 46 in market cap rank of all market. 132% increase just since this year has started, which is a very impressive. And not only that, Fantom has risen from 78th rank spot to 46th spot in just 28 days. Wow, this is insane. So if you're a part of the Fantom community, shout out to you. You guys deserve these gains, and I hope you guys get really successful. As I say that, always have an exit strategy in place when you are making massive gains. But now we're looking at the charts. The charts, man, the charts are looking insane. They're screaming massive breakout. But before we jump into that, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel, of course, is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of Fantom right now, we are looking extremely bullish right now. As I've mentioned to you guys in my previous video, you guys can see FTM is ready to have a breakout towards this massive level of resistance at that 61 cents mark. And we are finding ourselves at a little bit of resistance that dates back to May of last year. This wick over here, and this also dates back prior. So if I go back down to this level, you guys can see we did have a little bit of a resistance around here since April of 2021. Hence we are kind of finding ourselves stuck at this point. But the price of Bitcoin is looking insane. The overall market momentum is looking extremely bullish, and in the next 24 to 48 hours, if the price of Bitcoin pushes above $24,000 mark, I am very confident that FTM is going to break out of this level of resistance very easily and start heading back to that 61.2 cents mark. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still about 25% away from that. So let's not forget that that's not like a 2 or 3% move. It is quite a big move, about 25% away from that, and I can easily see that happening very soon. Obviously, I should be on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been absolutely killing it lately. We set a new yearly high today, so things are looking more bullish than ever, and I'm personally projecting, as long as the price of Bitcoin to continues this upwards trend and of course breaks out of this $25,300 level of resistance, we could see this entire rally push into the summer. Yeah, that's my projection. And obviously above 22k mark, you guys already know why that is so important if you're a follower on my channel. But like I said, all eyes for me right now are at this 61.2 cents level, and as I say that, we might find ourselves a little bit of rejection around here. And the reason being, obviously, it is a massive level of resistance. You guys can see this for yourself. Dates back, all the way back to originally February 25th of 2021. So we're finding ourselves this resistance is a very important historically speaking. And once we break out of there, guys, things can heat up very quickly. Remember, Fantom is still down. I always like showing you guys this. It's still down 85.7% away from all-time high. So it's still early. If you believe in Fantom, if you believe in the long-term perspective, not the next 2 to 3 weeks, we're talking long-term. If you believe in the long-term vision, right now is still a good time to be dollar cost averaging in. This is where you should be setting your exit strategies in place. So let me give you guys a better perspective. If we measure it from here to all-time highs, that's still a 6x. That's a lot of money. And if you want 1000x, sorry to say, this is not it for you, okay? I would strongly encourage you guys to stop wasting time. That's not going to happen. Go look somewhere else. This is a great project. These kind of great projects, have steady growth, but the gains are there. But if you need the 1000x overnight and stuff, or you could be driving a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or acting like top G, then sorry to say, this is not it for you at all. And those kind of projects that a lot of people look for, the instant gains, the instant feeling that, oh my god, I'm making massive gains. 99% of the time, those people get wrecked. So that is something that you guys might also want to consider. But like I said, I'm looking at the 61.2 level of resistance. To break out of here, guys, then things can really start heating up very, very quickly. But let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Fantom going. And let me know if you guys are enjoying these updates. But remember, price of Bitcoin needs to be considered very, very closely, but I am expecting a breakout as long as we break out of this level of resistance, which we're coming across since May of last year. Break out of here, I am projecting 5 cents for Fantom very quickly. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think. I would love to know your thoughts down below and where you could see the price of Fantom going. See you guys tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.